Hey traders, Michael here from Elite Traders University. Just going over a trade of the week so far. Once again, it was in pound dollar. So what happened was we had a huge collapse here on the 10th of September, over 200 pips down on the day. And coming to the next session, I really believe that the banks were actually going to push it low again and then start to slowly make their move higher. And sure enough, that's what they actually did. And so my approach on the 11th of September was actually to trade with them exactly where they traded from, and buying the lows and selling the highs. And so let's just look at my trades for that day. Let's put on the deal map. Okay, there they are. So as you can see, we actually traded this short all the way down for 214 pips. Then we traded long up here for about 30 pips, and then had a couple of stop outs based on a strategy that's not quite as highly probable, but it was still a good strategy. However, it got stopped out for a few positions. And then as you can see, we managed to sell the exact high for 66 pips going down, and then we bought the bottom. As you can see in this region here, we bought again, and we took it to the top for 80 pips, a number of positions in there long. And then this last position, I actually believe that we were going to go up a lot quicker, and we didn't. And so when I woke up in the morning, I closed out this position here for plus 15 pips. So it was an amazing day, September 11th. So down and up and down again. And so these are the pips for the day. So we had some stop outs, but as you can see, we had probably almost about 400 pips in profit. So it was an amazing day. As you can see, this is a live account. So this is a live seed trader account. I have a number of accounts there. It's a live one. And so this is something that we teach at the Elite Traders University. We teach you how to trade with the banks. We teach you how to understand market structure correctly so that your trade's actually precision timing. So these trades up here, these trades down here are precision timing. These trades taken from the bottom here with precision timing. This take profit, 214 pips, precision timing. And so we have a number of different courses available. If you are interested, please click the link below. Get in touch with us. We'd love to talk with you and share with you exactly what we offer in our courses. But we believe that we can teach you how to trade with the banks, which is the only way to trade with their flow of money, trade with their perspective. Learn how to see the markets not as a retail trader, not as a novice trader, but how do the banks see the markets? How do professionals see the markets? This is how we want to train you. And so hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, contact us. We'd love to talk with you, and hopefully we see you in the university soon.